Hi, this is Litre Petrol Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Suzuki Vitara, stock number 6379. This ran from the 8th 2008 to the 12th 2018. It has a J2 4B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a J2 4B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no damage. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Front bonnet no damage. Left front door mirror. Left front door no damage. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Spare wheel cover. Right rear door a few dents. Right front door no damage. Right front door mirror. Right front guard no damage. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.